H2O Wireless makes it simple to keep track of your minutes, data, and plan expiration date. There are 3 convenient ways to check your balance: using the H2O Wireless app, dialing a USSD code, or logging into the H2O Wireless website. First, the H2O Wireless app is available on both iOS and Android devices. This provides a detailed dashboard that displays your current balance, data usage trends, and expiration date. Second, you can use the USSD code, dial 777 on your H2O phone. You'll receive an instant SMS message with your balance information. Finally, visit the H2O Wireless website, h2owireless.com, and log into your account to view your balance. All methods are free and available 24/7. To use the H2O Wireless app, first download and install it from the App Store or Google Play. Then log in using your phone number and PIN. The app's dashboard provides real-time balance updates, usage graphs, and low balance alerts. To use the USSD code, simply dial 777# from your H2O Wireless phone. You'll receive a text message with your minutes, data balance, and expiration date. Keep in mind that USSD updates may lag by 1 to 2 hours. To use the H2O Wireless website, go to h2owireless.com and create an account or log in to your existing one. Then navigate to the My Account section to view your balance and usage history. Key considerations include that data is typically measured in GB, and you can set up auto-renewal through the app or website for uninterrupted service. For quick and easy balance checks, choose the method that best suits your needs.